Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be making strawberry basil vegan smoothie. As its name, strawberries, we're going to be using lots and lots of strawberries. So strawberry has got a lot of health benefit. It's very high in antioxidants, which means that it's going to help you fight against free radicals. Now, you know that strawberries are always connected with weight loss or those kind of plans. Generally, we do not suggest fruits in the weight loss or fat loss plan, but we highly suggest strawberries. The reason being is that it carries only 6 grams of sugar and about approximately 33 calories in about 100 grams. So that makes it very, very special on the strawberry notes. So I'm Praveen and this is Mehak from BodyProCoach Nutrition. Welcome on board. So let's go for this one.
So it's a quick and easy recipe. Let's get started with the same.
We're going to be using 1 bowl of basil leaves, 1 bowl of strawberry. We go my favorite, coconut milk, stevia. Now this is optional. A few ice cubes. The other one is going to be, take a blender, add half cup of coconut milk into the blender. The other one is going to be basil leaves. So just going to add some good amount of fiber to the meal, which is one of the very, very important part of the meal. I'm going to put some ice cubes into it. So we focus a lot on making those food which are very short in time, at the same time gets you a wonderful amount of nutrients. So either you can use this as a pre-workout, as a post-workout, and early in the morning. So they've got some amount of stevia. So I'm going to put the lid and let it grind for a while. Done.
Alright, and our smoothie is ready and to be poured into the mug. It's highly nutritive, really thick and nice, and it's a complete breakfast or snack option depending on what stage of dieting you are. Yeah.
We're good to go, guys. So hit the day with the smoothie now. You want to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and hit that bell button that you get intimation on when we have a new video coming for you guys.